Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, they came, we set them up, we gave them glucose, gave them feed, then that was it till the next morning, and we left, and my husband stayed on the farm by himself to brood them from day one. So thank you, honey, for your hard work. So far they look amazing. So this is early morning, day 2. No mortality rate in this room. Hey, ouch! Okay. No mortality rate in this room. Brooding overnight went well. Apparently around 3 a.m. it's very cold here. But as you can see, they're happy, energetic, very active, running around. No sign of wings yet. But in a few days you'll see. Brooding room 2. Day 2. 2 mortality. 2 died in this room. They are happy too, all over there. Honey, background man gangy up in that section too much. You want the debut? You want to come see? So this is our total minus plus the 2 that died overnight. So we ordered 1,500 and we got 1,577. 577. So it's not bad. Even if we lose the 75, we'll still break even with our 1,500. This time around we're not playing around. So room 1 has 837 birds. Room 2 has 738 birds right now. So this is our record sheet. These are bovine brown. And then we have, this is the second chicken coop. And then I have pen A and pen B. So this is the people we bought the chicken from. This is the day they arrived. When they came, they were this many. Okay, and we gave them Coogie's chick starter. And then one was dead on arrival. Yesterday they got glucose. Today is the 17th. And that's how much we have on hand because 2 died in room 2 overnight. So right now we have 1,575. So each day we record the mortality here, and then at the end of the week we put total weekly mortality here. We have the same sheet for when they start laying with how many eggs collected. So in case we're selling any, we can also write here about we're not selling any. So this is medication and any remarks. 2 looked very sick, 2 is very not active, something like that. So amount of feed given right now with the 1,500, they're going to eat 1.5 bag of feed every day to their certain weeks, and then they increase the older they get. Okay, so that's what it is. So right now it's 50 kg, 1.5 bag of Coogie's chick starter. That's what they're getting. And we're going to give them the chick starter for maybe about 4 weeks. And then we're going to go to the next level, which is, I think it's grower. Grower. Okay. Oh gosh. We were running away because of the sound of the bag. Michelle, stop. When you touch this, they get scared and moving. See, they're running. Starter for the 1,000 layers, 1 bag per week. We're gonna use Coogis to give them a good start, and then switch to the, maybe for a month we're gonna be using Coogis. That's the strategy we're using this time around. So this is Coogis starter. Right now, one bag is $3.88. This is broiler starter, Coogis. It's very coarse. These are the first 5 bags. Why are you putting some there like that? Kakrebi. So they've been fed for the evening time. They're just relaxing. We have a little bit of fire. We're gonna add more. My husband says it gets colder around 3 a.m. Pacha me bye. Feeding time. This is day 5. See the wings coming. So far, just the 3 that we've lost. Week 1, day 5. The wings are coming. I see a dirty oil on some of their wings. So. Hey, shit. The wings are coming. This is brooding room 2. And we had ant problem overnight. That's why there's dirty oil all around. We had ant problem. So good thing my husband was here, or it would have been a disaster. Okay, guys, they're getting scared. See, it's too much. Yeah. But be careful you don't step on any. You don't catch them like that. You have to be gentle. Oh. I can catch. La 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 la. Oh. So guys, because my husband is here, I don't come here every day because he's taking care of the farm, so I'm taking care of the family and whatever else. So I come in today, day 7, and he says there's bad news. Those layers, they're very active, and a week after growing their wings, they've started jumping into the fire. So we lost 2, and my husband was very upset about it and got everything out. Broilers didn't do that. Broilers are so calm. So layers are a different beast. It jumped in the fire. That is so stupid. Oh, today they're 1 week. They're 1 week. Hey. Oh, okay. Masana mwadri nyeju madam. Mujino mungu ja mugo so ma mungu nshem. Day 7. They're exactly 1 week old. Okay, mama. So they are a week old, and this is how they look like. They have the wings. And foreign birds, they give them the first gumboro before they bring them. So they've been on glucose, combined, oops, combined, which is antibiotics and vitamin. And then they've been on vitamin, pure vitamin as well. And tomorrow we're going to give them coxy. And then next Tuesday, today is Thursday, so in about 4 or 5 days we're going to give them, first Newcastle, first Newcastle. Very healthy, very strong. Mortality rate is about 5 right now, and 2 just died today, because remember in the beginning we were using the charcoal to heat them up. They didn't have wings, so they didn't jump, but they have wings, so 2 of them jumped in the charcoal this morning and they died. So as you can see, we have removed all of it. And the thing is, we didn't have that issue with broilers when we used the charcoal in the pan, but layers are like they have a whole mind of their own, so they've been jumping a week on. So yes, if you're using the charcoal method with an open flame, be careful with the layers. Broilers were okay, but right now they don't need the heat. So 2 days ago we didn't use the heat overnight and they were okay, so we're not going to use the heat. So next time we're going to do something different. We're still going to use charcoal, but maybe not the head pan because it's wide. So maybe we'll use the clay pot, like in Fanti we call it kutu. That one they can't jump in because the opening is not wide. So we're learning, okay? So I'm letting you know my mistake so you don't repeat it. No big open flame. After 1 week they have wings. They pretty much jump. So they jumped in there and we lost 2 this morning. It wasn't necessary, but we're learning. So it's not bad. 1 week we lost 5. Compared to previous brooding, this is like amazing. See? Can I capture one? Come here, baby. Oh, come on. Come on. Can I touch you? Updates, week 1. We started with 5 bags, and then a week later we have 2, 1, and not even half. So a little bit over a half. So let's say for the week they use 2 1/4. Yeah, and as they get older they will eat more. So they're not eating 1.5 bag like I said before, but I'm sure soon they will be using 1.5 bag per day. But this, I started with 5 and I still have 2 and then almost a full one. So they consumed 2 bags and a quarter. Yeah, because one now won't at the same rate. Obi by a week, obi by a stronger. Because I'm not here every day. What they will need has been written down. So today is the first day of the vitamin. It's actually going to be 3 days. We're going to move this down because we're supposed to give them first Newcastle, but the vet office doesn't dispense vaccination except Tuesdays and Fridays. So we're going to do 3 days of vitamins, then coxy, then water, and then Tuesday we give them their first Newcastle. Then after that we can give them vitamin again, and then vitamin, then water, and then Friday is the coxy. Okay, and as you can see, second gumboro is already written down here, and then glucose in week 3. That's week 3. Week 1 we're done, so we're starting week 2. So that's week 3, and as you can see, that's what we started with, and as of today that's what we have. So we've lost about 6. Yes, that's it, everyone. I'm currently at the farm and doing a voiceover. I'm sure you can hear the chicks going in the background. But week one went amazing. Apart from the 6 we lost, everything is okay. So I'll keep you updated. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Share my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly do so. And until next time, smile. See miracles in life every day. Of course, I'm going to keep you updated how week 2 goes as often as I get here. That's my hobby, doing something. So, bye guys.